Latest social media updates. Threads tests editing, account switching, and profile deletion options. Snapchat now has over 5 million paying users for Snapchat Plus. Bing Ads controls for webmasters to disallow their content in Bing Chat. Snap partners with Microsoft Advertising to power sponsored links within My AI. Microsoft will roll out Copilot AI Companion this fall. Microsoft is adding a Passkey manager to Windows 11. PayU partners with WhatsApp to provide significant leap for Indian shoppers. Microsoft to sell AI assistant software to biggest clients starting November 1st. Microsoft announces Surface Hub 3 with portrait mode. Microsoft updates Entra ID Name change timeline. Google's enhanced Bard AI Chatbot integrates with Google Apps, expanding possibilities for travel and more. YouTube Shorts to gain a generative AI feature called Dream Screen. Meta unveils updated Facebook logo design and in-app color palette. BBC buys Hulu's Love, Victor. Telegram Stories adds music, reactions, and channel stories that users pay for. For more digital trends, visit karanbalidi.com.